gentlemen, thank you for tuning in to today's video. I really appreciate you for tuning in. Before we go anywhere, just letting you know everything I talk about in this video will be available at AppalachianOutlawsPooling.com. So it's really surreal that I'm sitting here talking to you guys about this right now because there's been so many countless hours put into this, not just from me, but from many different people to make this become a reality. We've worked with so many different promoters, not just from up our way, but also down south to be able to put this together and make it something awesome for poolers and fans to be a part of. So with that being said, I'm pleased to announce the 2021 season of the Appalachian Outlaws Pooling Series. This is just going to be a quick rundown video explaining how the 2021 season is going to work and some more details on how you can get involved with the pooling series. To start off, I'm going to explain how you can register and be a part of the series. The registration fee for the Appalachian Outlaws series is going to be $125 per participant. $25 of that money is going to be put towards a hat, a shirt, and a decal for each driver. The $100 is going to be put towards the end of the year purse fund. 50% of the buy-in fee will be given to the champion of the series. Second place will receive 30% of the buy-in fees, and third place will receive 20% of the buy-in fees. On top of that, the top 3 participants will be receiving a trophy as well. As for the 4 events for the 2021 season, there will be a fixed purse for each class. The total purse amount will be $1,500. First place will be going home with $600. Second place will be going home with $400. Third place, $250. Fourth place, $150, and to wrap it up, 5th place will be taking home $100. Once registered, the driver will receive their own customized registration card that will redeem them free entry into the events and will also cover their hook fee at the pools. Registration will officially close on April 29th. It's super easy to sign up. You just head over to AppalachianOutlawsPooling.com. You hit the registration tab, fill out the questions, and then there's different payment methods at the end of the form. Now that that's out of the way, I also want to mention that these classes are open to the world. So if you're not able to sign up for the points, you can still come and pool with us at the 4 respected events. For the 2021 season, we do have 4 different pools that we're going to be competing at. We're going to kick this season off in CRAIGSVILLE, Virginia, May 29th. The next event after that will be at Listy, June 18th and 19th during the 2-day Thunder event. Then after that, we'll head back down to CRAIGSVILLE. The date for that event is to be decided. It's going to be at some point during July or August, so be on the lookout for that. Be sure to check out AppalachianOutlawsPooling.com and follow us on Facebook for more information on that event. Then the season finale will be at Listy, September 18th to wrap up the 2021 season for both respected classes. The hardest decision we've had to make with all of this is what rule set we're going to be running for the season. We've talked to so many different promoters and so many different people involved in the classes to ensure that we create a rule set that is fair for everybody and it allows everyone to come pool and have fun with us. The official rule set can be found on our website at AppalachianOutlawsPooling.com. We encourage all members and non-members to please go check that rule set out. We're going to be enforcing all the rules at every single pool. Bud from Listy is going to be super teching all the trucks from up here and doing the cubic inch checks on the small block trucks. And we're also going to be honoring the Mountain Boys and Dragon Motorsports tags for the small block trucks down there. So like I said, guys, be sure to head over to the website, check the rules out. A lot of the rules are very similar to what everyone runs around here and what everybody runs down south. So it allows everybody to come pool and have fun with us. But like I said, we are going to be enforcing all of the rules at the pools. So if you want to come compete for money and have fun with us, be sure to look over the rules and make sure that your truck's legal before you come to the pool. Like I stated at the beginning of this video, we're super excited to get this season started and see everybody and pool with everybody and just have an all-around awesome time. With that being said, we're looking for more ways to make it more awesome for the driver and everybody involved with the Appalachian Outlaws. If you're interested in sponsoring the class to help us do so, be sure to head to our website. There's a sponsorship link on the website. You can fill that form out or get in contact with me or Bud to get more information on how to sponsor. So yeah, those are the fine details of the Appalachian Outlaw Pooling Series. Like I previously stated, we're super excited to get the season started, to see all you guys and just have an awesome time with everybody. In the coming weeks, I'm going to be having more videos talking about more things involving the Appalachian Outlaws. So if you haven't already, be sure to follow our page for more, subscribe, and share this video to let your friends know about what we have going on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.